Imagine this. Your home is damaged, you file a claim, and finally your insurance company sends you a check. It feels like relief, but here's the truth. Accepting that check too quickly, without knowing what it really means, could cost you thousands or even limit your ability to claim more later. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly what you should know about home insurance claim checks. We will discuss the 3 steps to take before accepting a home insurance claim check, the top 5 best home insurance companies, and tips for dealing with home insurance claim checks. And if you want to be sure you're getting the best insurance rate, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code into our free comparison tool to see rates from top providers, so you can find the right coverage at the right price. To begin, let's define what a home insurance claim check actually means. A home insurance claim check is the payment your insurer sends you after approving a covered claim. The amount is based on the estimated damage to your home, as well as the limits of your coverage. If you only have a small, straightforward repair, you may get a single check with the lump sum. But if there are multiple repairs or larger projects involved, your insurance company will often issue a series of checks over time. If the check you receive looks smaller than expected, don't panic. It may just be one installment of the full settlement. Always confirm with your insurance company before cashing it, so you know whether it's the final payment or part of a larger payout. In short, your claim check is your insurer's way of helping you cover repair expenses, but the amount and timing can vary depending on your situation. If you want to know whether you're paying the right rates for the coverage that determines your claim checks, visit FreeAdvice.com. Use our free comparison tool to see quotes from different insurers and find out which policy could save you money while protecting your home better. Before cashing a home insurance claim check, it's essential to slow down and review the details carefully. Once you deposit it, fixing mistakes becomes much harder. Here are 3 steps you should take to make sure the payout truly covers your losses and doesn't leave you with surprise expenses. First, verify the claim check amount. Take time to compare the payout with your repair costs and policy coverage. If your contractor's estimate is higher, ask the adjuster to speak directly with them to resolve the gap. Next, file for supplemental checks if necessary. Hidden problems often appear during repairs, such as mold or wiring damage. In those cases, notify your adjuster so they can authorize a supplemental estimate or inspection. Finally, check the payees listed on the check. If your lender's name is included, you'll need their endorsement before accessing the funds. This process can involve extra documents or escrow, depending on your lender's rules. By following these steps, you protect yourself from underpayment, delays, or unexpected costs. Taking action now ensures your claim money actually restores your home. For added security, compare home insurance rates by visiting FreeAdvice.com. Use our free comparison tool to find affordable quotes from insurers and see which policy best fits your budget and needs. Finding the right home insurance provider is about more than just price. It's also about how they handle claims. The good news is that several insurers combine affordable rates with dependable claim support. Starting with our top pick, Progressive offers some of the most affordable coverage. With average rates at just $61 per month, Progressive makes home insurance budget-friendly. Their low premiums, paired with a reputation for steady claims service, appeal to homeowners looking for value and peace of mind. Many customers also appreciate Progressive's user-friendly online tools, which simplify managing policies and claims. At number 2, Nationwide provides a balance of cost and reliability. Their average monthly rate is $63, keeping coverage accessible without cutting corners. Nationwide's broad policy options also reduce disputes when it's time to settle claims. Landing at number 3 is Erie, another strong option for affordable coverage. At $64 per month on average, Erie is one of the lowest cost providers available. Customers frequently highlight their responsive claims service, making them a trusted pick for both price and performance. At number 4, we have Allstate, which combines affordability with strong local support. Their average monthly premium is $75, which is competitive for the coverage they provide. With a large agent network, Allstate helps homeowners navigate the claims process with confidence. Finally, at number 5, State Farm brings financial strength at a reasonable cost. Their average monthly rate is $88, making them slightly higher than the others on this list, but still affordable for many households. Policyholders value their stability and reliability, knowing claims will be handled quickly and fully. State Farm's nationwide presence ensures easy access to agents and support wherever you live. While price is important, the best home insurance company for you also depends on financial strength, claim ratings, and customer service. Choosing wisely ensures you're covered both in cost and in claim support. To know which insurer offers the lowest rates in your area, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Use our easy-to-use free comparison tool to compare quotes and see which insurer gives you the most value for your money. When it comes time to use your claim check, the way you handle the process can make a big difference. By taking a few smart steps, you'll avoid costly mistakes and make sure the money actually goes toward restoring your home. To begin, don't rush to cash the check. If you deposit the check right away, you may accidentally accept a settlement that's too low for your actual repairs. Waiting gives you time to review estimates, uncover hidden issues, and request adjustments before it's too late. Another important step is to ask about supplemental claims. Many homeowners discover extra damage once repairs are underway, such as mold, wiring issues, or foundation cracks. In these cases, insurers often provide a supplemental check, but only if you notify your adjuster promptly. It's also wise to keep detailed records. Every receipt, contractor invoice, email, and letter creates a paper trail that supports your position if a dispute arises. Having organized documentation makes it much easier to prove your costs and push back against low settlements. Also, be sure to work with your lender early. If your mortgage company is listed on the check, they may need to endorse or even hold the funds in escrow. Reaching out to them right away helps avoid unnecessary delays that could slow down your contractor's work. Lastly, don't hesitate to challenge low offers. If the payout feels unfair, you can request a reinspection or bring in a public adjuster to review the damage. Both options increase your chances of receiving a settlement that fully covers your repair costs. By applying these tips, you'll have a stronger hand in the claims process and a better chance of restoring your home without extra financial stress. Taking control now allows you to trust that your insurance will work for you when you need it most. If you want to make sure your coverage stays affordable, visit FreeAdvice.com. By typing in your zip code into our free comparison tool, you can compare rates instantly and see which insurers offer the best value in your area. When it comes to home insurance claim checks, knowledge is power. Taking the right steps now can save you thousands later. Protect your home, your wallet, and your peace of mind by staying proactive in the claims process. Think of every check not just as a payout, but as a tool to rebuild your home the right way. If you found this video helpful, click the like button to let us know you want more content like this. Share in the comments your experience with home insurance or any tips that have helped you navigate the process. Let us know what insurance topic you'd like us to cover next. Your suggestions help us create videos that matter most to you and our community. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss important insurance tips to help protect you and your family. Remember, the check your insurer sends isn't just money, it's your future home restored, so make it count. Thanks for watching, and see you at our next video.